You'd hit shop now. Our bikinis. We got our first 2 sales. Okay, so far in the past, I'm gonna say 3 days, we've had 11 orders and 500. Hey guys, it's Julia here, and this is the first video in my series of starting an online business of selling bikinis. So in this video, I document the whole process from creating the website to getting my first bikini sale. I am so excited to be sharing this journey with you. This is the first video in the series. So if this interests you, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification to see more videos in the series. Because I already have at least 4 filmed, and there's probably gonna be so many more because this is going to be a long-term business. So if the idea of making money from home online and following your dreams inspires you, give this video a big thumbs up. Anyway, that is enough talking. Let's just go ahead and get into everything. So I officially bought the domain name, created the Shopify account, and now putting it together. I'm gonna pick the theme and all that stuff for the store. I also made like a PayPal for the business. I made a business email first thing after I bought the domain name. And yeah, the store is coming along and I'm so excited. Like, I want to finish this by the end of the week. Today's Monday. I want to finish it by like next Sunday and launch it like next week maybe. I hope. Fingers crossed. I'm excited, obviously. Ignore my crazy bangs. Okay, so I don't know if I mentioned this, but I took a course on basically how to do e-commerce just because I had no idea how. And basically they taught me how to make the Shopify, how to pick products to sell, how to find wholesalers and vendors, and the next part of the course is how to find customers. And I'm gonna use their method of finding customers first before I launch the store for all of you guys, because I wanna kind of do market research, you know, and make sure that the store is perfect. So last night I had one of the people who work for the course check over my site, and she told me to add a few things and change a few things, and I did all that. And the last thing that she told me to do was add more one pieces. So I'm up to that point where I'm going to add the one pieces. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek at the store before I go ahead and add these suits. Okay, so here is our homepage, Jewel Swim, and you can hit shop now. It takes you straight to our bikinis. I forgot to say, but I put a bunch of bikinis on sale. Like, I put half of them on sale so that they're super affordable for you guys. Let's go back to the homepage. Okay, so this is my logo, obviously. This is our main menu. We have home, shop all, which shows the bikinis. We have the thong and the cheeky. Also, one pieces and bikinis up here, and then sale. So if you scroll down, you see our bikinis, and then we see our collections, bikinis, one pieces, and sale. And then we have a little blurb about the brand, and then we have our sale. The reason why all the pictures are kind of old is because I don't have any super recent good quality like camera, not iPhone, photos of me on vacation or at the beach, because one, I haven't been on vacation in like a few years. So I'm thinking, hopefully after we launch the brand and I earn a little bit of money, I can get my booty down to like Miami or somewhere and just get like a whole campaign going of good photos for the Instagram and for the website, and then we can just like, you know, keep everything looking good. Or even just get my camera and my friends and we can go to the Jersey Shore sooner than that, but like that's the goal. I need to get my booty down to like either California, Miami, or somewhere probably in the US because of COVID, and just get like a bunch of good photos in the bikinis. That's gonna take some more time, but now I want to show you guys the footer. So this is our footer. We have search, refund policy, which I gotta double check to make sure it's perfect, the ambassador program, which I'm super excited that you guys can join, and you can get commission and like a lot of other stuff that I'm super excited to add to that, because we're not just going to be a bathing suit brand, we're gonna be a community on here. So I'm excited to tell you guys more about that. Then we have FAQ, about us, and contact us. So I can click these to show you. Here's our FAQ help center, our refund policy, which I need to just double check on. The ambassador program takes you to a different site, so I can't wait for you guys to be able to sign up for it. And then we have about us, a little blurb, nothing crazy, and contact us. I definitely want to add more to the about us, but we'll do that within time. And then over here we have some fun like add-ons. We have the Facebook, the Instagram, and here, super helpful, we have a chat button. So if you have any issues with the site, you can literally just hit me up on the chat button and I'll answer all your questions. And I think that's about it. See, one pieces, I only have 3. So I'm gonna add 6 more so we at least have like a good amount of options to pick from. Okay, so last time I checked in was a few days ago when I finished my site, but now I finished my Instagram and I'm starting to get followers. I have 4 right now, and I just finished week 5 of my e-commerce course, so there's only 1 more week left, and I can't do that until I start getting some sales and like know what I'm doing. We're ready to start getting customers, which means I'm gonna do some market research and get some people that like bikinis like through hashtags and stuff and see if they are interested in like my brand. Once it is approved by the general public, then I'm gonna announce it to you guys. Oh my god, this is so exciting. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my Instagram right now so you can see it. Welcome to the Jewel Swim Instagram. So far we only have 10 pictures, but I'm gonna post probably another one either today or tomorrow, and I need to start making up like story prompts and stuff and like sales maybe for that. Here's our bio. There's our 4 followers. I just followed 100 people, so I'm gonna finalize the ambassador program and finish all that up and then start promoting it to the general public and see what they think. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. I finished the affiliate program and I just made one of the PR Instagrams I'll show you. And okay, there's a train. I live next to a train station. Even bigger news, I had 1 girl already subscribed to the email list and I haven't even messaged anyone. So someone named Jessica, we won't give out her personal info, checked out my site. I'm so hyped right now. I'm gonna be messaging people like all night to see if they like the suits in the site. We posted this picture today of the Siesta Key bikini, one of my faves, honestly. And then I posted to my stories about it being 45% off and they should swipe up. Oh, I don't have the swipe up feature just yet, but it's the link in the bio. I've literally been working on this all day. We have so many major updates. One more is the affiliate program that I finished that I was telling you about. I made a slideshow for it. I can't show you the actual slideshow because it's for affiliates only, but I'll give you a little sneak peek because, you know, I'm excited and I gotta show it. Here it is. Isn't she pretty? I spent all night making her last night. Little sneak preview. That's all you get. I spent all morning editing it and making sure it was perfect. But I'm gonna eat some food and then I'm gonna start messaging some people. I'm confident that we're gonna get at least 1 sale by the end of the week. I'm 100% confident in that. And today is Tuesday, so by Sunday we will have at least 1 sale. Mark my words. Okay guys, it is the next day and we have major updates. So last night we got our first affiliate. We haven't made any sales just yet. Today I decided to kind of hint on my Instagram story about what we're doing with this brand. Nobody knows that I'm making this brand, but I was trying to like hint at it. So I'm gonna show you guys the story. It's actually getting a lot of views and engagement, so this is a really good sign. Here's the first slide. It's just, do you love the beach? Yes or no? Do you enjoy posting pictures of yourself or do you feel weird? Are you comfortable posting pictures in a bathing suit? Is that what it was? In swimwear. Oh my god, my eyesight. Sorry guys. What's your favorite swimwear brand or store you buy swim from? And just comment it in there. And then this one is, are you or have you ever thought of being a social media influencer? Yes or no? Do you buy products, clothes, food, makeup that influencers recommend? Yes or no? Do you buy products, clothes, makeup, food that influencers create and sell from their own brand? Yes or no? Are you currently trying to earn more money or start an internet side hustle? Yes or no? And then we have, the reason I'm asking all these vague questions is because I'm currently working on a secret project and I need your help. I'm sure you got the hint by now that it's beach themed, hehe. If you are interested in hearing more or want to be the first to participate, comment ocean emojis. That is me hinting on my public Julia Gilman Instagram. I mean, all my Instagrams are public, but my Julia Gilman Instagram about the bikini line, and we are trying to hint at getting ambassadors. So I am definitely going to monitor and see like everyone's responses and maybe, just maybe, start messaging the girls that are interested in joining. Oh my god, you guys. So I would have vlogged this last night, but it was really dark and I didn't want the lighting to be horrible. I should have showed my like reaction then, but I'm still just as hyped. We got our first 2 sales. Like I said yesterday, I don't know if I went into detail about like how I was doing all this, so I decided to do a like small little case study with the most amazing people ever. Some of you guys, it's only noon right now and this post has over 4,000 views, 4,400 to be exact. And I haven't had a story get that many views in years. So I had a lot of you reach out saying that you want to participate in the secret project, which is basically my beta test for the ambassador program. I obviously know it's gonna work. I just want to like test it to make sure you guys like it before. You know, there might be some things I need to tweak before we launch. I'm probably going to beta test with as many people that were interested. So I'm thinking maybe like 30 to 40 girls just to see, because I eventually want to have like a good bunch of you. I mean, we could have as many of you as you want be a part of the ambassador program, because like I want this to be as inclusive as possible. And yeah, I want to give everyone a chance to represent the brand, earn money, get discounts. But I want to do a private Facebook group for the ambassadors so we can use it to help each other grow on Instagram, help motivate each other, manifest things. Everything under the sun can go in there. I want us to feel like a family. I mean, those are all my ideas so far. And I just want to give a big thank you. I was like kind of nervous to tell. My first sale went to Olivia. She bought like the cutest bathing suit ever. I'll show you guys which bikini she got. It's so cute. I'm so nervous, you guys, but I'm so excited because I've been wanting this to happen since 2019 and now it's finally happening. This one. That's probably one of my faves. I'm not even gonna lie, because it looks like a cloudy sky. If you guys know me, I love cloudy skies, like the background of my phone, cloudy sky. And then I have to give another shout out to our second sale, and her name is Elena. She ordered 2 bathing suits, actually 2 really cute bikinis. She ordered the same one that Olivia got. I think that's gonna be one of our top sellers. And then she ordered my other favorite. I think this was my first favorite, but she ordered the Miami Cheeky set in baby pink. Let me get you a photo, guys. I love this. It's so cute, especially if you have a tan. My personal favorite color is the blue one, but the pink one's really cute too, honestly. I think both of the girls have been following me since like 2015, so you guys are true supporters and I love you so much. And to anyone else that is thinking about getting some of the Jewel Swim or has already purchased, thank you so much. I'm sure we're gonna have more sales as the day goes on. I just have to edit this weekend's video, so I haven't been able to get back to all the messages just yet, but I'll definitely do that throughout the day and let you guys know more. But this is amazing. I'm so excited. I already fulfilled their order, so they should be shipped out within the next few days. Although, unfortunately, because of COVID, shipping is super slow. But yeah, I'm super excited and I will keep you guys updated as the day goes on and how it goes. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I think I'm gonna need to hold the camera for this, but I'm updating you from the car. I just went to my favorite coffee shop in Philadelphia called Batter and Crumb, and I got this coconut cold brew. I need to mix it up more, but it's so good. Oh my god. And I got a breakfast sandwich. Even though it's like about to be 1 p.m. I had breakfast earlier. I had oatmeal, but they have such good breakfast sandwiches. I know this is totally random. I'm just showing you guys a little haul of my food. In here I got some vegan noodle salad, a vegan pastrami sandwich, and then a vegan green bowl, and a vegan blueberry pastry. I don't know what is in it. I saw it on their Instagram today and I just had to try it. So today is Saturday. I didn't get to update you on Friday because I was just like trying to edit and get today's video ready. And luckily I was able to do that. I got today's video ready in time for today and it's going live at 3 p.m. EST, 12 p.m. PST, the usual. So everything is done with that. And then I also was messaging a bunch of you guys last night for the ambassador program stuff. And it's just so crazy. I can't say this enough. I am baffled at how many people have been so supportive and so kind and just wanting to help out, wanting to be a part, and actually liking the bathing suits. Like, I didn't know that you guys were gonna enjoy the bathing suits I picked out. I mean, I like them. I didn't know that like you guys were gonna like them, and the fact that you guys like my taste and like my style and the stuff that I put together, like the things that I put my time and effort in, just means a lot to me. And the fact that you trust me and that you like it enough to buy it is just so humbling, so amazing. I haven't felt so connected to my viewers in so long, and this is the first time in like years that I feel like that. I just want to say thank you so much. And here's the analytics from the past few days. We've been doing this since Wednesday night and it's Saturday right now, and we've had how many sales? Okay, wait, I gotta screenshot this. There's like angel numbers all over my analytics. We have like 4.4% sessions, 11.11% reach checkout. Okay, so far in the past, I'm gonna say 3 days, we've had 11 orders and $513 in sales. So the store has made $513 so far, and it's not even halfway through the day. It's 1 p.m. We still have all evening and all night. My goal was to reach like $1,000 in sales by maybe next week, but I feel like we're gonna reach that goal like way sooner than the end of next week. This is wild. Like, I'm halfway to my first goal and it's only been 3 days. Just wanted to say thank you again. We are definitely going to be having lots of giveaways coming up because of how amazing this is going, and just so much more to expect. I definitely want to talk more about the ambassador program, but maybe I'll do that in a different video. Thank you guys so much for supporting my store. I love you to infinity and beyond, and I will see you in my next video next week. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We do lots of fun lifestyle content on here. Beauty, fashion. Now we're doing some business content. Like, I'm a businesswoman now. I post new videos every Saturday at 3 p.m. EST, 12 p.m. PST, and hit the notification bell for that so you never miss another one of my videos. And give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more content like this where I show you like the inner workings of my store. And I'll either see you in my next video next week or my previous video, which you can click at the end. Love you. Bye!